Example, you're going to do details, blow up details. This one is for the front wall detail. This this one is for the rear wall detail. So for example, you have created these call outs. You just have to click on it, right click, then go to view. And in this view class, you can add specification. Okay, like this one, RC wall, RC reinforced concrete, molding, and dimensions, or other items that you would provide as part of the details, part of the instruction of working drawings. Okay. Now, there are times wherein the specs or labels you wanted to provide are not visible. You've created, but it disappears. So what you will do, class, is just click this region, crop view rather, mamaniyahang cropping view. Then outside, you can see hidden lines. So these hidden lines, you just adjust this one, you make it bigger. Okay, so that the text or any levels will be visible. For example, like that one, as you can see, it disappears. But you have created one, okay, but it disappears after creating. So what you will do, adjust this rectangle, and now you can see it appears this particular label or specification. Okay, now in the sheets, I guess you have created pages. Example here, I'm able to create I'm able to insert the floor plan in this sheet. Okay, so this outside rectangle, this one, that is the sheet. Okay, then if you want to make some edits inside the drawing, you just double click inside, so you can edit less. Okay, and then after making some edits or modification, click outside, and you will go back to the paper. Okay, this is the paper mat, which is not 20, but not 20, but by 30, but A3. Okay, A3 size. Now, in your plan, you can hide the elevation tags. You can right click on it, then hide elements. Or if you will click category, it will hide the other elevation tags. Okay? But for the section, you retain lang. Okay? It gives us idea as a mukat. Okay? So, reflect dimensions and other necessary labels, like the label of the space, carport. Okay? Then, that's it, class, for this page. This one is section. So I think you have created section also. You can see the call outs. And then this one. This is the page for the details. So these are the call outs actually. Okay. If we go back to section, this one is section. These are the call outs for the rear wall and this one for the front wall. Now, these call outs are inserted in A3 in my case. So as you can see, the front wall, it's number 1. Rear wall, it's number 2. The numbering is pertaining to the sequence of the drawings. It gives the idea on the reader of the plans which item or which drawing to read first or analyze first. Okay? So if you want to change the sequence, example, you want this to be number 2 instead of number 1. You go to properties, check this. You go to properties, the detail number is 1. We'll set it as 3 for now. You cannot set that to 2 because there's an existing number 2. So 3 for now, enter. In this one, you can now click this detail, then that's 2 currently. Set that to 1. It's now changed. Then go back to 3. Change that to 2. So you can now see the sequence. It's reverse 1 to 2. Okay, but I'm just showing you how to change class. If you want this number 1, it's better na this drawing is on the left side. Okay, and then if this is number 2, you put this on the right side.